Hello students, welcome to the course Data Analysis with MATLAB for Excel users. So let's see what we have in this course. This course essentially contains 7 sections. In the first section, we will be briefly introducing you to the course, and I will give you my brief introduction. In section 2, we will be looking at some of the basic stuff regarding MATLAB, so how to declare variables and how to store data in MATLAB and how to do necessary operations within the MATLAB. Remember, we will not go into the programming details, rather we will just focus on data analysis. In section 3, we will be looking at data pre-processing and importing data from the Excel sheets into the MATLAB environment. So we will be looking at different ways and how to select data and how to manipulate data and how to scrape the data and put it into the MATLAB environment. In section 4, we will be looking at various apps, how to analyze the data, how to visualize the data, and the other functionalities that the MATLAB provides you for data analysis. In section 5, we will be looking at how to generate reports for sharing purposes. So the MATLAB will essentially provide you with a very useful tools for this purpose as well. Finally, we will be looking at using MATLAB from within the Excel environment, and we will be looking at a particular tool that is called Spreadsheet Link. So hope you will enjoy the course. Enroll now and get the course